That's a nice.
And I decided to wire up some lights. Now I'm getting the 106. So here we go, new battery. Timeusb, it's 100 amp hour. Now this is a 12 volt system. So I'm gonna put that in, and I wired up a system here. I put a switch in and a plug, and I'm gonna run power to that to be able to run the lights. I gotta start heading in. We've got a little drive for the check-in, so I guess it's about it. Yeah, pretty good day. I'm so excited I can just zip over there. I've been running all over the place with this motorized, the kayak and the battery, and it's actually, you can get used to it pretty good. It's pretty nice. I was glad to get out there, and my best thing to take away is, Josh has been telling me this for a while, is how relaxed you feel after using the motorized kayak. So I'm like so refreshed, being able to zip around all the time. I'll leave a link to that battery below. Thanks for sending me that battery.